Hello and welcome back. We have a problem with the Honda Forza 300. It's a known issue with the mirror, with the mirror's arm. The part was breaking in this area. We have to first take off the windshield to have access to the mirror. This is the part which we gonna replace, and the parts code. It's this arm which is holding the mirror. We have to replace it. The price of this part, it's about 60 euros. And now we're gonna remove the windshield. Quite easy, 4 bolts. This is the part which is holding the windshield. Now we have to take out this part. This part was taken out, and this is how it looks now. And now we have 4 bolts to take out. We have another plastic part. Quite some work over here to take out this arm. Taking the mirror cover out is not an easy challenge. It's easier when you fold the mirror and try to take out this plastic. To take it out, you have to fold it, and there is a bolt over here on the bottom. You have to fold it first, like that, and then from the bottom you go and unlock the bolt which is tighten up this mirror cover. Here underneath it's completely broken. It has to be replaced with a new part. Underneath on the corner is just broken. Here is the bolt which has to be unlocked. Here is the place of the bolt which has to be unlocked. Now there are here 2 bolts to take out this arm. Also this plastic is broken here on this side. To take out the arm, you have to move the arm down and then pull out. So move the mirror down and then pull out, and everything goes out. And this is the part which was taken out just now. This is the broken arm. Now we take out the engine, the electric engine, to have access somehow to the bolt which is installed underneath over there. Only a few steps until we completely remove the arm, which needed to be replaced. This broken arm seems to be a known issue for the Honda Forza scooters, and the fabric, it's not so reliable. You can see it for yourself how it was broken. It's unacceptable to have these arms broken, especially when the access to this arm, it's an incredible work to take out this arm. And this is the new part in comparison with the old part. This seems to be better quality. Maybe it's just an impression, but yeah. Now we need to find a way to stick it back. We try an alternative to mount it without removing the left fender, and let's see if it works. So it seems like we've managed. Good news, good news. We managed to place it without removing the fender. which is an enormous time saving. This helped us quite a lot. Now we fixate it with the 2 bolts over here, because we took out the wires from the electrical part. We put it back color by color, and there are also 2 connectors. We took out only one, and the other we mount them in place. Now everything seems to be quite easy. You have to maneuver the plastics quite gently because they can easily broken. And this is the new part which we mounted. Inspecting again the way this arm was broken really put some questions on the quality of this arm. So please take in consideration when you maneuver these mirrors from the Honda Forza that the quality is not what it seems to be. Now we have to slide the plastic cover to the arm, carefully of course.
Așa, da, mai bine că n-am fixat asta. Eu nu fac aici a intrat? Gata. Da?
And now the bolt which comes underneath needs to be tightened up.
Așa mă văd. Chiar aș putea să-mi iau o cameră de asta.
And the last piece of furniture which comes on top.